In this guide we're going to see how to resolve errors such as there was a problem with the dedicated server, and similar. Method 1. Restart the game. Method 2. Restart the system. Method 3. Check to make the system is definitely online. Check to make the system is definitely online in another app or web portal. Check the profile icon on Xbox or Steam to make sure it is not set to appear offline. Method 4. Check server status.
Check to see if there are any problems reported with Halo Infinite servers. If yes, then the game's servers are having difficulty, so it's just a matter of waiting for them to be fixed. Method 5. Enable or disable VPN. Enable or disable any VPNs being used. A VPN can cause interference issues with the servers, but if already disabled it might be worth trying the VPN to see if it sorts out the connection.